I previously stated that virtualization was necessary for infrastructure as a service and cloud computing, and that you could have your own private cloud and data center. However, when separates a private cloud from virtualization, this is something that many people find confusing. So, if you are confused, you are not alone. So, with virtualization, it is required for cloud computing, as I said, and it provides scalability and elastic computing. Meaning, without virtualization, you are going to have a lot of trouble provisioning new physical servers. It takes a long time to get a new physical server in the mail and bring it to the data center. With virtualization and virtual machines, you can easily clone a new virtual machine and have a new server up and running in seconds. So that's why it is an important part of any sort of cloud. Virtualization also provides the pooling and sharing capabilities of resources. It offers load balancing for the compute so that a virtual machine can be transferred to or launched on a new server if one host runs out of resources. It offers portability for the virtual machines and high availability at the infrastructure level. As a result, they are portable from host to host and even from the private infrastructure to the public cloud using the hybrid cloud we just discussed. Another feature of virtualization is the ability to simply clone an existing program or virtual machines, thereby cloning its complete operating system, programs, and data onto a new instance. The infrastructure for cloud needs all of this. On the other hand, private cloud offers the abstraction of the underlying infrastructure layer on top of virtualization. In other words, if you use a private cloud, you are unaware of the underlying virtualization. You are unaware of the existence of any host, the precise location of the virtual machines, the high availability settings, or the configurations of the virtual networking. None of it is necessary for you to know. A straightforward gateway and a few clicks on a private cloud simply make it simple to deploy a new virtual machine. Additionally, it offers secure multi-tenancy, meaning that with my private cloud, I can support not just my company but also other firms while doing so in a secure manner, or perhaps other business units within my company. This is what the public cloud offers. For instance, I am able to run my virtual machine securely and without being able to see into the virtual machines of others that are operating on the same physical host due to AWS EC2 or Azure VMs. That is referred to as secure multi-tenancy. There are numerous clients and tenants, and then a self-service portal. So like I said, I can deploy a new virtual machines very easily in a few clicks of a mouse without having to worry about the underlying physical infrastructure that's running that virtual machine. I get a catalog of application, essentially a catalog of virtual machines that I want to deploy. I receive chargeback or showback which enables me to report on my consumption and charge the business directly, or let's assume I run a public cloud like Amazon. I can charge my clients for using the public or private cloud. And finally, the potential to suddenly transform into hybrid cloud. We are referring to the private cloud here. Therefore, I have the option to scale up my infrastructure by breaking from my private cloud up into the public cloud. Oftentimes, without the end user who is using my private cloud ever even being aware of where their virtual machines are running, whether in the private or public cloud. Therefore, there are several distinctions between virtualization and private cloud. A private cloud is not the same as virtualization. Virtualization is necessary for both a private cloud and a public cloud. However, having virtualization alone does not create a cloud. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the infrastructure as a services pricing models. So let's move on. Like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.